Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out sound effects and music on the Golf Blitz application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the home button down below, which is in the middle as the third option. Then click on the settings button down below in the left side of the screen next to the play button. Here you can find the music and sound effects options. These are the two first ones in the settings section. If you want to turn on music, tap on this button. Once the checkmark icon appears, it means that music is turned on, and you can also turn on sound effects. So once the checkmark icon appears in this section, sound effects will be turned on. If you want to turn them on, just tap on them and the next icon will appear and it will turn to gray. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.